We spent the last week meeting with builders at the International Builders Show. While we were there, we took a look around the South Hall at IBS. We saw some unique booths and had to share some of our favorites with you. This is some of the cool stuff we saw at IBS.
Your customers want genuine, they want natural, and they want this type of feel. Now, genuine doesn't mean it's not engineered. It just means it's engineered so well and so beautifully that we can have the joys of a natural look and the benefits of something that is well engineered. So what we're seeing here is we're seeing movement, we're seeing color, we're seeing depth, and the feel of a texture. And that has given the customer, the homeowner, the family, the feel that this is something natural, this is something dimensional. This is a place where we can make a memory together. Genuine. That's the first word that came to mind when I saw these products. It says they're handcrafted in Poland. And as you as a builder are looking for something that says, artistry doesn't have to just exist on a wall. It can be a part of your everyday life. It can be a sink. This is what people are looking for. They're looking for something that is genuine, that feels real, that feels like it's going to last. That's what I am loving about this wood texture, the finish, this walnut and the grain. The execution on this is flawless. Well done. This space right here just makes me feel eternal. And that's one of our core values at Viewrail. I can obviously see that's a value at Hopes. When I am looking at the details that you have brought together, I can't tell whether this product was just built last week or if it's 150 years old. You have brought the timelessness and a genuineness to home construction that it's missing in so many places. We've rushed to use so many synthetic materials, and you've really embraced steel as your structure for building a window. It gives incredible strength. How long have you guys been doing this?
We've been doing it for a long time. 1912. We're based out of Western New York, and appreciate the compliments. It's a very unique product. But what isn't unique about it is that the fabrication process, the materials, the core value of the systems haven't really changed much. There's been a lot of refinement, a lot of improvements, energy code compliance, multi-point locking systems, and you'll be able to see some of the unique profiles that we offer. But we have very proud of what we do. The company is a family-owned business, and love to show you more of the systems.
So this historic red, this brick red, there's got to be a story here. Tell me the story.
So, very unique product. And when you get to the outside of it, you can also see that. This window is actually a duplication of a window in a historic building in Pearl Harbor. So when we got commissioned to do this project, and it was just very, heartfelt when you get the history, and that's the unique part about what we do. We do get involved in a lot of historic replication, and this window is a testament. It's called our 155. We named it after Building 155 at Pearl Harbor. So it's really cool to get involved with projects like this. And to your point, most of the windows and doors that we get involved with are products that we installed almost 100 years ago. And that's, it tells a lot about the timelessness of the systems.
Homeowners are becoming more and more concerned about natural disasters. And if you haven't familiarized yourself with ways to build homes, especially in hurricane zones or places where forest fires or other natural disasters are reality, then it's time to get on board, builders, and understand some of the foam block reinforced with concrete poured inside of them solutions. Now, they are a little more expensive and they are a little more time consuming. You as a builder at least need to educate yourself and understand with what's available. It has come a long way. As we see this product here by RSG 3D, we can see that we're looking at roof systems, wall systems, with a lattice work on the exterior to provide a lot more opportunities for attachment. It's come a long way. It's time we all get a little better understanding about where it's headed. We've certainly learned in the last 2 years that being an eternal being means we have to have a deeper connection with the outdoors. But sometimes the outdoors can be a little harsh, and so we need something to soften it a little bit. And so what we have here is a beautiful retracting pergola roof system. And so we have 3 different functions here. This is a retracting roof. And for a little more sophistication, Angel, tell me about the action of what this system can do.
This system tilts and rotates only, so you can control the louvers as to where you want them. It's a beautiful sunny day, but you don't want the exposure of the whole sun. You can move them so that you can work on with the sunlight.
Now, tell me about water, Angel. Are these water's going to drip through these?
These are all 100% watertight. Any of the models that we sell are 100% watertight. They have interior gutter system that runs in the side of the roof, and we use the legs as the gutter, so the water comes out.
Brilliant, brilliant.
We have spouts that come out on the end.
Brilliant design. Now, this one on your end is your most sophisticated solution?
Correct. This is a model called the Aerolux. This one tilts, rotates, and retracts.
Oh, wow.
And also, all of these larger louvers are also available insulated. So if you are in a hot area like Florida or Arizona or Colorado, where your sun exposure is very high, with the insulation, you won't feel that heat. Another thing is if it's a rainy day, you won't hear that sound, the clacking sound of the rain. So it's a beautiful product as well.
Well engineered, very well developed for us to be able to enjoy the outside, but to be able to just soften it and make it a little bit more livable. Congratulations, Angel.
Our pleasure.
Well done.